The third mistake marketers make when starting content marketing is just go on too many channels at the same time and then having a hard time keep up. The truth is, having multiple channels is a great strategy for many reasons, such as multiple lead and traffic sources, good for SEO, and to improve your customer experience. But if your team is not large enough, then you just spread yourself too thin and you will be not able to manage it effectively and you will not drive any positive results for your marketing and business. So how can you fix it? First, I can recommend to your small business is to start with a maximum of 3 basic channels and get them right, which are one social media, email marketing, and blogging. Those channels are already proven to drive high quality leads and great results for small businesses. Therefore, it is great to start with them, but it also depends on your business, industry, and how large is your marketing team. Is it just you as a business owner, or you have one marketing team member? But you can also hire freelancers from Fiverr or Upwork to help you with social media or email marketing. With blogging, I would recommend you to learn how to write blog posts, as you are the subject matter expert. Or you can find freelancers within your industry. But generally speaking, if you want to find a good quality freelancers for your blog post, then you need to spend more. And that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more how to grow your digital marketing effectively. Like this video if you like it, and leave a comment below what was your biggest mistake when you started content marketing. And also, don't forget to check out all my links in the description where I leave some cool tools for content marketing, SEO, and digital marketing. Ciao!